Hebei Huiping Machinery Company Limited is a large-scale grain and oil equipment enterprise specialized in scientific research, design, production, sales, and project installation. Subordinate enterprises include Dingzhou Yongsheng Grain and Oil Machinery Company Limited and Wanli Grain and Oil Machinery Company Limited. After more than 40 years of development, the company now has a first-class grease equipment production base, professional grease technical engineers and experts, as well as advanced production technology and precision equipment. All grease equipment and accessories are produced independently. Our company's complete set of oil production line equipment, raw material cleaning, pre-treatment, bleaching, refining, fueling, and byproduct greasing, such as sophisticated engineering, protein engineering, are developed by our company together with domestic scientific research institutions and institutes. Advanced oil production technology is applicable to all kinds of large, medium, and small-size oil plants. We will make plans and quotations for customers according to their needs. Our engineers will be responsible for guiding the installation and commissioning of the equipment until it runs well. Our company will also be based on customer requirements and future development for customer design and factory layout. Oil plant transformation to solve the problems faced by customers in oil production. The company adheres to the business philosophy of quality for survival, technology for development, market-oriented services for business principles, and is willing to sincerely cooperate with colleagues from all walks of life to create brilliance.